Those darn cheap picture frames. That's okay. We can fix that problem. I'm Jeff, and you're watching Home Built Workshop. What's going on? Welcome to the workshop. I hope you are doing awesome. Yes, as you probably already saw, I got a picture frame that is in desperate need of replacement. Now I probably could just glue this up, but I'd rather just make a new one. I've got an offcut of black walnut here I think is gonna work perfect. This is left over from a previous project. That's why I always save stuff like this because, well, you just never know when it's gonna come in handy. Now I already have several videos on my channel about building different styles of picture frames using different joinery methods, and I've put them all together into a playlist. Link for that playlist is down below in the description. You can check that out and see lots of different ways that I've approached making a picture frame. So this time, I think we're gonna do this a little bit different. We're just gonna try to get this done. I'll show you the whole process of how we're gonna make a replacement frame for this chintzy thing. Since I'm gonna try to zip right through this project, here's a quick rundown of the processes I'm gonna use while making this frame. I'm gonna rip this down into strips using my bandsaw. You could also use a table saw. Then I will smooth out those pieces using the drum sander. From there, I'm gonna cut a notch in there which will accept the glass and the backer for the frame. And then I'll cut everything to length using my picture frame sled. From there, it's just gluing it up, sanding it down, applying a finish, and voila! We'll end up with a nice new frame. Now before we jump right into this project and I start cutting up this nice piece of black walnut, if you're new to the channel, maybe this is your first time here, I just want to say welcome. Thanks for stopping by, and if you like this sort of content, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you have notifications on as well so that you get notified when I upload more projects like this. And of course, if you're already subscribed, 2 thumbs up and a big thank you goes out to all of you. I really do appreciate all of you that watch my videos because, as cheesy as it sounds, if you weren't watching the videos, then I wouldn't be here. So thank you so much. Now let's get to cutting. Probably won't be able to get that off next time. I'm reusing the backer that came on the frame, but I'm noticing now how out of square it was from whatever factory it came from. If I check the corners of my frame, they're square. That backer's definitely not. It's gonna be fine though. And there it is, our black walnut picture frame is complete, ready to be loaded up with your favorite piece of artwork or whatever photograph you need to display. The black walnut looks awesome, and it's way better quality than this thing. Cheap factory-made frames. I think making picture frames is a great project. You can make them for your house. They're great gifts. Everyone likes a handmade picture frame. Remember, I've got a playlist link down in the description to the playlist of building several different styles of picture frames. I hope you try it out. If it's on your list, you need to try making some frames. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.